Ungqongqoshe uBarbara Creecy uthi bazama izindlela ezokwenza ukuthi amaloli angami isikhathi eside emngceleni njengoba abashayeli bedlula ngaphansi kwezimo engagenyisi imathe uma besalindile.
Some of the truckers were telling us that they wait up to 22 hours to cross the border. That obviously is unacceptable both from an economic and a humanitarian point of view. And so what we have been looking at is the many agencies that are involved, both on the South African side and also on the Mozambican side, to understand how we can unblock the blockages and how we can make sure that these trucks will move more effectively.
Ezinye zeinhlelo ababhunge ngazo zizogwema ukuba abashayeli bangenela abanye kulayini emngceleni.
Already what we're trying to have is a situation where once a truck has been processed on the South African side, it has an electronic tag. That tag would then be recognized on the Mozambican side. And so what does that mean? It means that somebody can't sneak the queue and think that they will be able to get through.
Umnyango wezokuphepha komphakathi uxwayisa abashayeli emzileni uN4 kulamaholide ukuba abashayele ngokucophelela uma bezodlula emgwaqeni elungiswayo.
We are appealing to motorists when they approach construction sites where there are stop and goes in place. They need to be extremely careful, be patient with one another. We have seen also on Saturday and on the N4, particularly at the gorge between Matsulu and Malelane, whereby when you get there, the traffic was extremely slow because there was a truck that was stuck due to mechanical issues. So people had to wait there for more than an hour.
Yize umnyango wezokuthutha esifundazweni uzama ngakho konke ukugwema ihibe emngceleni, kepha abashayeli bayexwayiswa ukuba bacophelele ngenxa yokuthi abamaloli baphuthuma ukuthutha impahla unyaka ungakapheli.